Introducing Zerophone, security knowledge on change. In 2024, DeFi lost huge amount of money because the code had holes. Here is the critical fact. 82% of those exploits use patterns that are already documented in public audit reports. The knowledge existed, it just never reached the developer who needed it. That is the problem Zerophone wants to solve. Existing tools have fundamental trade-off. Example, Slither are fast but they don't learn. Code for Arena is good but take weeks. In Zerophone, we give you both. Quality and speed with $30 a month and model that gets better every week. Zerophone is an AI platform for auditing Solidity smart contract, trained by white hat hackers where every findings are traceable on change. Our business models involve 3 steps. Hackers submit label vulnerability patterns, senior auditors validate each label on 0G chain, the AI fine-tunes weekly on accepted labels, every audit traces back to the researchers who caused the original pattern. The loop is closed and it compounds. We serve 4 groups: indie developers who cannot afford 30K audit, white hat hackers whose knowledge is locked in private reports, senior auditors who cannot scale their time, and DeFi protocols that need always-on security before every deployment. We are currently in seed stage now. In this stage, we provide free tier for 50 contributors, Code for Arena, and Sherlock communities. Here is our projection. In Q3 2026, we open for public beta with 1500 MRR. Q4 2026 for protocol deals with 6000 MRR. For 2027, we finally open to the public with projection around 44,000 MRR. Let's move on to the snapshot. This is what the developer sees. They paste their Solidity contract, then AI returns the finding under seconds. The other side, hackers submit structure labels. Reviewers then validate them in queue, the verdict anchored in 0G chain instantly. Zerophone is built on 0G end-to-end. Storage for labels and training data, compute for LoRa fine-tuning via TEE, chain for attribution and settlement, and model delivered via Hugging Face. Let's talking about unit economics. We charge users $30 per month. Cost per audit is 4 cents. For example, if user in a month hit 200 audits, means we have cost $8 in infra. Remember, we charge users $30 minus $8 mean we have profit around $22, equivalent 78% in profit. Now we are talking about revenue projection. We separate them based on our previous milestone. With the calculation in unit economics, we project in MVP phase with profit around $1,100, phase validate around $4,400, and so on. Here is our roadmap. We start right now in MVP phase Q3 2026. We plan to validate our product to contributors in Q4 2026, moving to monetizing Zerophone in Q1 2027, and finally open to public in Q3 2027. Yes, we want to win this track 3. With next action, $5,000 to seed the first 50 contributors, introducing our security reviewers to public, and finally distributing Zerophone via partner protocols.